Hi, I'm Susan. Today I'm participating in the Crossword Collage Challenge hosted by Barbie of Nellie and Ruth Designs. And the hashtag for that is 2023 CW Collage. And the only rule there is to use a crossword and write something in there. And then we can decorate it however we want. So I hope everybody's doing great. And without further ado, let's get started. Well, I'm doing pretty good. I can't complain. I hope y'all are too. I know I said that, but I won't say it again. Okay, I'm thinking I might want to put a little paper under that to make it pop. Maybe this, just something to give it a little bit of a border to make it stand out from the back of this page. Well, we have a beautiful day right now, but they were talking about rain. My husband's going to try to get the grass cut or finish it up today. My supervisor is checking up on me over here. She likes to make sure I'm doing what I'm supposed to be doing, which is usually petting her. I'm just gonna hope for the best and just trim it with my scissors. We're still watching Chance, and it's good so far. Okay. Oh, I think she wants some love and attention. I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. I gave her some love and attention, and she still went off in a huff because I put her on the floor. Okay. So, I got these cute little images from the book that I had that I used, did a, let me see. It's easier just to show you. I got the images from this book, and I really have loved it. They're just beautiful images. So, I got these little hedgehogs, and it says prickly situation. So, thought I would add in some flowers. Maybe something like that. I think that's cute, and I'll just tuck that there. Well, I like how that looks. I have a feeling this is going to be an easy one. So let me just start tacking some of this stuff down. I had to write everything so low it's hard to find a place that had enough letters for situation. The crosswords I have just didn't have a lot of long words. That's straight. See if I can do this left-handed. And I haven't got to watch too much of Line of Fire. Haven't watched a lot of TV on my own. I hadn't had a lot of time to read. I'm almost done with the Father Tom series. And truth be told, I got hooked on a game on my iPad, and we'll have to quit because I waste too much time, but it's a Seeker's Notes, and I love games like that. And I play Merge Mansion as well. That one I can get through real quick and do what I have to do, but the Seeker Notes has lots to do. So I get lost in it because that's my kind of game. So I need to do better about organizing my time. Now I will stop up. I don't know why. But it's one of the Seeker Notes is one of those mysteries and a little bit spooky and mysterious. I love things like that. I'm not keen on horror, but I love spooky. I always blame Scooby-Doo. Okay. Now let me see if this will glue down. I hope I got enough glue. Oh, I think I got it too. Go up. The glue's going to be dry before I even get it down. Here we go. Now, isn't that cute? I love that. Let's see if I want to add a few butterflies. See what I can find here. Some smaller ones. That's cute. Maybe. I don't know. Maybe something a little bit more colorful. I think I like the more colorful one. Let's see. A little bit of a right on its ear. Maybe that one would show up better. Now isn't that cute? I love that. Okay. Make sure that is one I want to keep. I need something that pops against that red, not blend in with it. I think I'm going to go with that. I like that. Okay. I enjoy this collage. It takes no time. It takes way more time finding the images and deciding what I'm going to do than it does to do the actual collage. But it's a lot of fun. And I get to use these cute images. This is a perfect kind of collage to use those with. They remind me of children's books, and I've always loved to use, put this down. I always love using children's books in my collages. They're just so much fun and vibrant and sweet. So. I'm just going to finish it off with some splatters. And I think I'll do just a few black. Not a whole lot, just to give it some contrast. Usually it's more silver because I mix it with the gold. Alright. Well, I'm going to call that done. So I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button. If you haven't, ring that bell so you can be notified when I upload new content. Leave a comment. Tell me what you think. Be sure and check out Barbie's channel at Nellie and Ruth Designs, and be sure and check out the hashtag 2023 CW Collage to see what everyone else has made. Y'all have a great and wonderful day, and take care, and until next time, bye y'all.